ArcGIS Pro provides project templates to best suit your workflows. In this tutorial, we will start with Add a Template, allowing you to explore and process data without saving a project. We'll start with a collection of New Zealand natural resource data. We'll put the data in the same format, clip it to a common extent, and store it in a geodatabase. This data can then be shared with organizations in the Christchurch area. To make modifications to the data, you will add a folder connection to access it. The catalog pane and the catalog view will allow you to preview and work with your data. Inside the folder connection are several additional folders and 2 geodatabases. Let's preview one of the feature classes in the catalog view. Here we can see its metadata, how it looks on a map, and its tabular information. Let's take a closer look at what we have by adding these feature classes and a shapefile to the map. Several of the layers extend beyond the greater Christchurch area. To focus our attention on Christchurch, we'll add an urban area boundary layer from the Living Atlas. The name of this layer is pretty long, so let's rename it to something shorter like urban area. With this layer added to the map, we will be able to clip our data to this boundary, resulting in a cleaner, more focused data set. Before we do so, let's create a new file geodatabase to store the clipped data. We'll also make this geodatabase the default. Now let's take a closer look at the urban area to see the boundary we are clipping the data to. We'll run the clip tool as a batch tool, allowing us to process multiple inputs at once. The majority of the layers in our map will be our input features. And the urban area will be our clip feature. When we clip the data, each layer will be saved separately into our new geodatabase. Before we run the tool, let's set the output coordinate system. This ensures that all the data is properly projected to the same coordinate system. With the tool run, the data surrounding the Christchurch area has been removed. If we go into the properties of the feature class, you will see the output coordinate system that we have set. Now that we have a more focused data set, let's update the metadata to document those changes. With the data now processed, we can share it with the organizations in the Christchurch area. For detailed instructions, follow the written tutorial in the ArcGIS Pro help.